Want to expand into global markets, but feel stuck translating scripts, finding native speakers, and re-recording videos in different languages? That process alone can take a huge amount of time, effort, and coordination. Rendora supports major languages from around the world, making it easy to go from script to fully localized video in just a few clicks.
라비에르 수분 리페어 크림으로 하루 종일 촉촉하게.
يعني ترطيب يحافظ على نعومة بشرتك طوال اليوم.
Bonjour. J'espère que tu passes une excellente journée et que tout se déroule bien pour toi.
Simply create a new project and enter your script in the text box below. Then click AI Writing Assistant above the script box and choose Full Translation. Rendora can instantly translate your content into your target language. Once the translation is ready, open the voice library on the top and choose a voice that matches the language and tone of your script. Finally, click 3D Generate and Rendora will automatically create your multilingual video for you.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenidos a nuestro banco. Estamos encantados de tenerte aquí con nosotros hoy.
From script translation to final video production, Rendora makes multilingual content creation simple so you can reach global audiences with ease.